In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana and Slack to streamline your business. By connecting these two tools, you can keep team communication and task management in sync. That means you can turn important Slack messages into trackable Asana tasks, stay updated on project progress, and reduce the need to constantly switch between apps. Before you begin, make sure you have an active Asana account and access to a Slack workspace. In some cases, your workspace may require admin approval before the Asana app can be installed. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. In the left-hand sidebar, click Apps. If you don't see it right away, click More and then choose Apps. In the search bar, type Asana and select the official Asana app from the results. Then click Add to Slack. If the app is already available in your workspace, you may instead see an option that says Connect an account. Once the app is added, open the conversation with the Asana app inside Slack and click Connect to Asana. This will open a browser tab where you'll be asked to sign in to your Asana account. Review the permissions being requested and then click Allow to finish the connection. After that, Slack and Asana will be linked and ready to work together. Next, let's turn a Slack message into an Asana task. Go to any channel or direct message that contains an action item you want to track. Hover over that message, and on the message toolbar, click the three dots menu. From the list of options, choose Create a Task. You can also use the / command to create a task directly from the message field if that fits your workflow better. A setup window will appear where you can fill in the task details. Give the task a clear and specific name so it's easy to identify later. Then choose the assignee, select the correct Asana project, and set a due date. Taking a moment to complete these fields properly makes the task much more useful and ensures the right person sees it in the right project. When everything looks good, click Create. Asana will generate the task and post a confirmation link directly in the Slack thread, which makes it easy to jump back to it later. To automate project notifications, open the Slack channel where you want Asana updates to appear. In the message field, type /Asana link and press enter. This is the starting point for linking an Asana project to that Slack channel, so updates can be delivered in the same place your team is already communicating.